Welcome to Cooking with the Nation with yours truly, Lunatic Raider. Today we're going to prepare one of my all-time favorite dishes, goat cheese and apple stuffed chicken breast, buttery garlic green beans, along with garlic knots. So let's get started. For your buttery garlic green beans, of course you're going to use your green beans. You're going to use some salt. If you could add pepper too if you want to. Lemon pepper seasoning, minced garlic, and butter. This is a simple recipe, but one of my favorites as well. You do want to add vegetables to your meal. Green beans is a perfect complement to chicken and pork chops and steak, anything. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do now, you want to add some water in a pan that has a lid. We got our green beans washed and cut. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil these for a few minutes till they get tender. So we're gonna put all these green beans in here. Like I said, you want to wash them, and it doesn't matter how much water you put in your pan because we're gonna end up draining this out after a few minutes anyway. Once we drain that, then we'll get to the garlic and the butter. Cook these bad boys up, you feel me? Just like such. We just put the lid back on them and just let them cook for a few minutes. Alright, so now after about 5 minutes, that's all you're gonna need for these right now. Put this back on the fire. Now that we got that in there, we want to go ahead and add our 3 tablespoons of butter. Voila. And then mix this all around till this butter is fully melted, just like such. Yeah, get that butter nice and melted up in here like this. There we go. Now that it's fully melted, let's let it sit for a couple of minutes. Next up, 3 cloves of garlic is what they ask for. Now I buy my garlic already minced up, so you're gonna have to eyeball and guess how much a clove would be minced. So we go 1, 2, 3. And now you're gonna start getting that fragrance of garlic and the butter in there, man. Ooh. Yeah, that smells good. Just like that, for real. Mix that in there nice and good. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt right now. The Himalayan pink salt. Like I said, not too much, just for a little flavor to taste. Bam. You feel me? Oh, yeah, that smells good for real. Yeah, get it nice and mixed up in there, man. Y'all do your thizzle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Need a little tad bit of salt. Tad bit of salt. And a little bit of lemon pepper. Just like such. All right. Finito. Turn off the heat, and voila, buttery garlic green beans. Enjoy.